It's another beautiful day here in sunny South Florida. Dogs are outside sniffing around. They just wanted to say hello. Good smells up here? Yeah. How about you, Zinja? Finding some good smells too? This is the time of year when the weather starts to get nicer here, as it's getting less nice up north. We here in South Florida are starting to enjoy, 82 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And it's just beautiful out here, light breeze. So this is what our weather's starting to turn to, and I know that it's going to start going the other way up north. We got our fire pit out. We've already done a couple of those, so that's fun. But yeah, it's just a beautiful day out here. So hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.